the most important part in a word cloud to classify words, right? So what I want you to do right now, I want you to take your pens or pencils that you have in your hands, I hope, or next to you. Take them, please. And in your copybooks, I want you to draw a table. I want you to draw a table, but we still don't know what categories we will have in our table. That is why I recommend you to draw this table in a horizontal way. So let me show you how it will look. Just one moment. So you draw it this way. Look, here you will write a category, yeah? Okay, and here you will write these words from the word cloud, yeah? So it must be horizontal, and it has space for categories, and it has space for words, which we will write with you. So, and now together, we will try to identify which category from your map these words belong to, yeah? So I will clear all my drawings now, okay? And I start with you with like one by one. Let's do that one by one. So let's start with Hannah. What is the first word you see?
Sparrow.
Sparrow, good. Which category you think it is?
What is a sparrow? It's a bird?
Definitely.
Probably it's names of animals.
Yeah, or it could be names of birds, right? Yeah, so we write sparrow and we write the category birds, right? So write category birds, sparrow. Now, without looking in your map, try to think about 5 birds which you remember.
Oh.
Yeah. Everyone can help Hannah if you want.
Mockingbird.
Mockingbird, good. So Hannah, can you help people to understand what it means?
That's the name of the bird from a very famous novel. Mockingbird is the bird who try to create different sounds.
So it's like this bird is mocking you. Mocking is like this bird laughing at you. Yeah. So we say mockingbird. So mockingbird. So listen, Aminat, give us one more bird. Give us one more bird. Kostya, help Lisa.
Turn on your microphone, Lisa.
Yeah, don't forget to turn on your microphone.
Sparrow.
But we have sparrow. We are talking about other birds which we don't have here. So we have sparrow, we have mockingbird, and just one more.
Canary, no?
Which one?
Canary.
Canary. Kostya, your turn.
Colibri.
Colibri. How do we call it in English?
Okay.
It's not English, by the way.
I thought it was English.
Not really. It's in English called hummingbird.
Hummingbird.
Hummingbird. I send it in your chat. And by the way, it's mockingbird. Mockingbird. So it's in your chat. Good. And just one more bird, Ruslan. Give us one more bird.
Pigeon.
Pigeon. Okay, let it be pigeon. Pigeon. So, good. The next one, I want you to look at the next word. Look at the next word, please. So, Ruslan, can you read this word?
Scales.
Scales. So, which category you think it belongs to?
It belongs to fish.
It belongs to fish, very good. But Fish, it's a group, yes? Can we make another category? So
Animal body parts.
great. So it's animal body parts. Let's write this category. Animal body parts. Animal body parts. And now again, without looking in our map, try to think about body parts which you remember. We will start with Ruslan and then go one by one. So Ruslan, give one more body part which animals have.
Tail.
Tail. Okay. Lisa Stepanova.
Neck.
A neck. Okay.
Yeah.
Let it be a neck. Lisa Naminat.
Maybe
Sorry?
gills.
Gills. Yeah. Gills. Kostya
Tusks.
asks, which animal has tusks, Kostya?
Elephant.
An elephant. Yeah. And Bogdan?
A muzzle.
Muzzle. Give an example of an animal that has a muzzle.
A dog or a cat.
Yeah, a dog or a cat. Good. So now, Bogdan, you start the next category, the next word. What is that?
Birds.
We have here
Domestic.
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 Domestic animals.
Yeah. Domestic animals. And we have with you, what other animals we have?
Cat.
Wild.
Dog. Crow.
Yeah, we have domestic animals. And what is another group of animals?
Wild animals.
Wild animals. Can you give me 5 domestic animals that you remember?
Hamster.
Hamster.
Cat.
Parrot.
Cat.
Donkey.
Donkey. Okay.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Hamster.
We
Camel.
start. Sorry? Camel.
Rabbit.
Camel.
Yeah,
Yeah.
in some countries it's a domestic animal, definitely. Yeah, I will agree with you. So let's write categories, types of animals. Yeah, types of animals. We divide animals into domestic and wild ones. And you can write 5 animals which are domestic. Now, Lisa Stepanova, can you read the next word, please?
Kennel.
Kennel.
Mm-hmm.
So what category is it?
Maybe mammal.
Firstly, what is a kennel?
It is animal. Yes.
Really?
No. Питомник.
Okay.
Actually, it's not an animal.
Можно? Can?
Lisa, help, please.
It's питомник, ну, место, где держат зверей.
So it's a place, right? Where some animals can
Live.
live. So, and what is the category? Homes.
Animal home.
Animals, absolutely,
Home.
homes. Yeah. For example, lions live in nature, but some domestic animals can live in kennels. Which animals can live in kennels?
A dog.
Dogs.
A
A
dog,
dog. Cat.
and maybe a cat, yeah, just for fun, but usually cats hate it. They are independent. Yes, they cannot live on chain. Okay, here we go. Can you give me more places which animals can live at home? It's a kennel, it's...
Burrow.
Oh,
Sorry. Yes.
yeah, burrow.
Coop.
Coop, yeah, coop. And aquarium. And this is a place where animals live in trees. Actually, birds live in trees. So what is that?
Cage.
In trees. They built it in trees.
Trees hole.
Nest. Nest.
Nest. Yeah, it's a nest.
Nest.
Animals live in a tree hole, but birds live in a nest. Good. So, Kostya, can you read the next word?
Duckling.
Mm-hmm.
Well, its category is animal babies.
Animal babies. Give me 5 animal babies which you remember.
A cub.
Cub,
Okay, kitten.
kitten, so Hannah, goodbye. And
Puppy.
puppy. And how do you call a child of a deer? We call it fawn. Fawn. We call it fawn. Do you remember this cartoon baby called Bambi? Bambi was a fawn. Yeah, do you see this animal fawn?
Yeah.
Good. And Kostya, give one more. A child of a rabbit. What's a child of a rabbit? Okay, Kostya, you can use your map now. I just let you use your map.
Thank you.
So
I
who remembers the baby of a rabbit?
Bunny.
It's a bunny. So Bugs Bunny, everybody knows it. So, and what is a baby of a cow?
Calf.
It's a calf, yes.
Oh.
And what is a baby of a kangaroo?
Joy.
Joey, good. Okay, let's move on. Let's go to the next one. So please, Lisa Stepanova, read next word.
Savannah. It is biome.
Okay.
Yes.
Give an example of animals which you think may live in savanna.
In savannah.
A lion.
Yeah, lion.
Tigers, maybe.
Not really.
A kangaroo.
Maybe some kangaroos can live. How do you call an animal with
elephants, maybe.
Elephants, yeah, they can live. An animal with a horn, like a nose.
Rhino.
Rhino or rhinoceros, we call it. Yeah, so rhino, they can live in savanna. If you forgot animals which can live in savanna, I suggest watching the cartoon Lion King. So, and there you can learn.
Monkey.
Yeah, monkeys. Yeah, some monkeys can live in savanna, of course.
Hyena.
Giraffe.
Something like that.
Sorry, Kostya.
Hyena? I don't know. How they pronounce
hinds. Yeah, hinds. They can live too. Good. Let's move on to the next word. The next word, please, Ruslan.
Wings.
So which category is it?
It's birds.
Yeah. Or body parts, right?
Animal body parts.
Yeah. Give me 5 body parts which you remember. It's easy now.
Sparrow.
Okay.
Tail, scale. Neck.
Okay. And how do you call the body parts that a horse uses to move, as Lisa said today?
Hooves.
Hooves, yeah, hooves. Okay, here we go. Lisa Naminat, can you read the next word, please?
Squid. Calmar. It's sea animals.
Sea animal. Which sea animals you remember?
Jellyfish. Lobster.
Good.
Squid.
Okay, we have it. This animal has 8 legs.
Octopus.
Octopus. Yeah, octopus. Very good. So let's write quickly. So squid and sea animals. Mhm. Now, Bogdan, can you read the next word, please?
Next word is insects.
So which word is it?
It is a group of animals
That can fly.
that can fly and maybe
And
bite.
which word you mean? It's dragonfly, right?
No.
And which word you think it's insects?
Fly or butterfly.
Sorry, we don't have here this word. We have dragonfly.
Okay.
Okay, let's take dragonfly. Dragonfly belongs to insects, right? And give us 5 insects which you remember.
Bee.
Bee.
Mosquito.
Mosquito. This insect is red and has white spots.
Ladybug.
Ladybug, okay. So.
And butterfly.
Okay, very nice. And let's move to the next one, the next word. So, Costa, please.
So the pose, right?
Let's take pose. Which category is it?
I don't know, body parts again.
It's body parts, yeah, and
what?
And give us an example. Body parts which you remember.
Okay. Hooves, scales, muzzle, gills, fins. Fangs.
Okay. So very good. Now let me tell you, thank you, Costa, very much. I have to stop here because I want to tell you why we do this activity. We do this activity just to understand that we really need to review some categories.